What?
I'm not the one who cook.
Who's gonna cook?
You.
What am I gonna cook, baby?
Pork.
What kind of pork?
With what and
What?
the country style and the I don't know what's the English yung langya.
The what?
I don't know what's the English of that. Pork. No, not pork. Chop. Oh, then this one. That is all meat. What's the name of this? What's English of that?
I have no idea what you're asking.
You said what you cook. I said pork. What kind of pork? I said the country style and ang buti mo market to. Tama. Cook na. I'm hungry. Just what? Huh? Ryan, you like this?
Baby, lunch spray dirt.
Who the hell is this dude right here? Who is this guy?
I don't know. She have a problem with his eye. He was.
Been a lot of aircraft flying around this week. Folks, I want to welcome you to this little impromptu cooking show. For some of these videos, folks, I don't have anything really special going on. But what I do got going on is just trying out new settings and, making sure my wireless mics are dialed in. Just trying to learn more about videography, driving the camera on manual mode. And just stuff like that. So who knows if any of this footage will make it into a video. And who knows if I'm gonna be able to barbecue, because I don't see any charcoal. Wife number 2 just told me to get out here and barbecue this. But I am seriously not seeing any charcoal in here. Might be the quickest barbecue video in the history of barbecues. Fatima, next time you prepare everything, you might want to come out here and check and see if we have uling. That's charcoal in Tagalog. Let me go rouse this old girl. I got a little bit of wood. That's too much smoke coming off of that wood. May have to dispatch wife number 2 up to the sorry store, because I ain't going. My girlfriend don't work there no more, so I ain't got no reason to go up there.
Daddy, what baby chicken doing?
Yeah, the baby chickens are running around. Folks, baby chickens are doing well. Big country, big city. All right, so I went up to the store, got these little bags of charcoal. I think these were 12 pesos. Yeah, 12 pesos a bag. Got 5 bags for 60 pesos. That's $1.20. I gotta get. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, put Big City back in the jungle. The reason I call these chickens Big City and Big Country, you got one that if you put him in the jungle over here, he won't leave. The other one, he just wants to get up here on the concrete and come in the living room. Thus, Big City and Big Country. Baby, I'm trying to make an award-winning YouTube video here. Get to 1 million subscribers. Hey, you're over here disturbing my filming. But do come here and show everybody those little shorts that I bought you. Who bought you those shorts, baby? Come over here a little bit. Your boyfriend bought them? Mm-hmm. They look cute on you, baby. The front and the back, baby, look good. You're looking pretty good these days, old girl. I got to give credit where credit is due. Especially, folks, when she puts her hair down. A few minutes ago, she had her hair down, and she was looking some type of delicious. Then when she puts her hair up, it's takes the deliciousness down a bit. It's hot. Honey, in the entertainment business, it's not how you feel, it's how you look. What are you feeding that chicken?
Go get the,
No.
what's the,
Now Maria likes to hand feed these chickens. She hand feeds the chickens, and that's how. Oh, you want to know what we feed the chickens? Tell them what. Tell them what they're eating. These chickens eat oatmeal. They love the oatmeal. Now they love bananas too. Bananas, watermelon, and oatmeal is what these chickens love to eat. They wouldn't eat the oatmeal at first, but Maria held the chickens and hand fed them the oatmeal, and once they got the flavor, it was all over. Now they just eat oatmeal like it's going out of style. Fatima told her mom, "You're not going to believe what these chickens eat." He told her that they were eating oatmeal, right? And she's like, "Oatmeal?" Yeah, folks, so breaking news here on the farm. We're missing a rabbit. Now, either the rabbit is down in the hole and just hadn't come out in a few days, but we're missing a rabbit, and Tequila is missing in action as well. We haven't seen Tequila in several days, about the same time the rabbit disappeared. You know, there's a couple of tomcats been hanging out, chasing after the mama cat. No, honey, there's 2 small rabbits.
You have a white in here.
And there's a white and a brown one. There's 2 small rabbits.
She said?
Wait a minute, that's a new one.
That's new?
Those are baby rabbits, honey.
Oh,
Wow.
this is small.
We have another litter of rabbits
I told you.
underground. We got chickens, we got rabbits, we got kids, we got kittens. So kids, yeah, I want that 2 kids. One more on the way.
Kids?
Got one more on the way here. Let me see that old girl. You looking a little chubby around the midsection. I gotta check you.
No, I'm not.
Not yet. Not yet, baby. I gotta breed you in the spring. Yeah, clear the babies out of the immediate area. I'm about to dump this charcoal. There we go. She's got them corralled. Folks, if you don't have a set of welding gloves for your barbecue operation, you really gotta get some. They just keep your hand from getting burnt, charred, dirty, grease, whatever. I mean, I use and abuse these, but they're long, so you can just reach in there and do what you got to do. Yes, ma'am. You want a pink car? Okay. A motorcycle, a pink motorcycle too? Okay. Okay, sweetie. Okay, Papa will work on that, okay? She wants a pink car, a pink motorcycle, and she wants a pink airplane. You only want 1 airplane, or you should probably get 2. You want 2 pink airplanes?
2 airplanes, many.
Okay. And what we got right here is just some noodles. Noodles with a little butter and a little olive oil right there. Courtesy of wife number 2, thinking about the foreign dude.
Olive oil only.
Oh, just olive oil? So wife number 2 is starting to think about the foreign guy because she knows I don't want to eat rice. Huh? I guess I could take the top off. Oh yeah, there we go. Put that dude, oh, level. Put them up top too on both sides. I need to fan my flame a little bit, baby. Here's the other thing you can use these welding gloves for is a fan to bring your temperature on up. Perfect fan. Look at that. Baby, you looking so cute today. My goodness. Oh yeah, them things are looking good. Unless you deep fry it into some chicharron, then I'll eat it. Need more heat? Huh? All right, but that's another 12 pesos, baby. Yeah, that's 25 cents. That's a quarter.
That's my coins.
In America, that's a lot of money. It's a quarter, baby.
And here, after that.
Baby, I'm in the YouTube business. I'm trying to get these airplanes. You gotta fly. You gotta fly on your rump. Baby. Baby, there's a fly on your rump. She kicked it like a mule. Hey, the fly is back. If you let your hair down, you can use your hair like a horse's tail. If you let your hair down, the fly won't get on you. Baby, I'm trying to teach you how a horse gets rid of flies. You're not listening. Folks, y'all see the stress I'm under taking care of this old girl. Look at all this wonderful food that I'm preparing for her. She complains about my cooking methods. Honey, do you realize that you just interrupted my cooking show? Messed up my flow. Everybody's expecting to see me, and you are blocking the view. Baby, the ladies want to see the king, baby. All the ladies out there, just stand by. As soon as I get this old girl off the grill, you get to look at my shirt again. Ain't nobody looking at you, baby. Ain't nobody looking at you, old single mom. Old single mom with 3 kids. Ooh, baby belly peeking out. Peekaboo. Don't burn it on them. There you go. Now they can hear you.
Ow. You see? Pangit ka dyan. Kasi pangit. Honey, get this. I don't know what I talk. Ay.
Say, hey mom, hey Kuya.
Hello everyone.
You be the eye candy, I'm the superstar. You're the trophy wife. Yeah, almost, baby. I'd put it up there in bake mode and just give them a few more minutes. That was me. Baby, you're one beautiful single mom. My goodness.
Single man?
Hold on, buddy. Papa's tripod's in the way. I'll get it out of the way for you. All right, so right there to the left is Big Karen. And that's baby Cabbage. I'm pretty sure that's her baby. And so what that means is the babies down in the hole belong to Sugar. Because remember, we're not sure. They have the babies deep down in the burrows. So her babies are down here in this little hole. Well, that's where they're popping out. There's no telling where they are down in the burrow. But they are right down there. See if you can see down there. That's where they popped out, where the one popped out. So there's no telling how many there are. All right, now we get Chocolate Moose over there, taking a much needed break. He's just racked out, taking a big old nap. Chocolate Moose, all in on his sleeping. He sleeps like Fatima. Our son's back here helping you with your laundry.